a Lotus. Sick. Fatty with the S15. I don't know who this is, but he got the work wheels. It's a Zenki. What up, Fatty?
I'm literally shaking right now. I can't believe it. This is Miguel.
Hi.
DSM.
That looks really unhealthy.
If it doesn't get all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face.
Wait, what?
You never heard that song before?
No.
That shit is like back in the 90s, bro. The Carl Jr. slogan.
Got the Evo 10 boys. You always pick the spots that are right by your house, and then I'm the one that has to drive like an hour.
Well, fool, it's like 10 minutes from here. You're just down the 5. It's perfect. It's right off the freeway.
Looks way better. I guess we're waiting for a couple guys, and then we're gonna head out to the breaking meet out here in SoCal.
Shaking. That's
Really?
so fast.
I need to pull on
Nah,
them.
it rips. It rips. It sounds crazy.
They're trying to race the FD with the DSM.
Look, that was Eric.
What up? We got Vic with the 9 pulling up. I always love that hood. All right, so I guess everyone's here. Sick lineup of cars, couple Supras, Evos, Hondas, Nissans, FDs. Buenos días. No! I literally got left behind. This thing is a go-kart. Let's go. Only in SoCal can you pull off a lineup like this on a casual Sunday morning. Like Lotus Elise, Honda Civic EK hatches, FDR X7s, Honda S2000, Evo 4, Evo 10s, Evo 9s. Like it's crazy, man. Like we literally, I think we have the best car scene worldwide. I'm gonna have to say it. Lots of high quality cars here. This is what I'm saying, guys. Like you can't be SoCal. You just can't. Like you literally have everything. Mustard and ketchup. That's the X-Bar I got.
Look at the white cake.
The Vars? 15th anniversary. Super clean, dude. I like Supras in red. What color would your Supra be if you were to buy one?
This one is like a
red?
It's like a bloody
red? Period red?
Yeah. But it looks good though.
I love it.
Stands out.
305s on there, dude. Crazy. The 997. This is clean. This is really clean, actually. BBS. Got the Recaros. Ooh. I'm a fan of these. Oh, now we got the Laguna Seca Blue. This is probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite, paint codes on a car. The BBS wheels.
BBS isn't on these cars always.
This is like OEM plus, huh?
Yeah, they look good. Actually, the original wheels, the CSL wheels, are made from BBS as well. So that's
Really? Dude, SoCal does it best when it comes to just. SoCal just does it best. So you see everything. Sick. Wow. Ooh. Sick. color I kind of want. And we got the M3 boys. I love these two in white though. Rev it! All over you, Gene. All over you.
My peoples.
Damn, Gene, where you at? Look at this.
Damn, Miguel, where you at?
All the key boys.
Wow, look at this color. Hey, this one's
Just so you realize there's always levels to these. It's like,
I get it. I'm not rich like you guys.
Damn, Jesus. Serio, me neither. I can't even afford a Honda.
it's a sick intake pipe. I feel like, would you even track this when it's this nice?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to.
Yeah.
You don't want to jam it.
Look at the hatch on this.
This one.
Oh shit.
That's sick.
You like that?
The double wing?
Yeah, like it kind of gives it like. You got Suki in the house with a pink SUK. And then again, your headlights for mine. Supra.
You have your spare tire in the back like that.
That's
wow.
sick. Fitment on point too.
Yeah, don't ask that guy.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta blur that music.
And then the Audi.
Yeah, because I went.
Look at this, best color on TEs. Yeah. Damn, Gene, this is perfect for Gene, bro. You would fit in perfectly. I can see Gene in this for sure. This is sick.
The Magnum.
I like it. Oh, I got the carbon hatch. Oh, this is yours?
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
Damn, they make all these carbon parts for it?
I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Gene, trade your hatch for this.
Dude, look how tall.
Imagine, like, that shit's tiny, bro.
Manual,
Oh, the
okay.
heart? That's sick.
Hey, imagine putting some twin subs in this.
I've always liked this silver on these Beamers.
The E92s?
Yeah, this I forgot what it's called, but I wanted to put my Eclipse this color at some point.
That's nice.
BBS's, Recaros, it's like baller EK status right here. JDM. This 15 color is nice.
Yo. Bro.
Damn, you're repping that race legacy. A ver, a ver, a
You
ver.
guys didn't wait for me.
Good luck finding parking.
No
Wow.
mames.
Yeah, you brought out the slicks.
Yeah, that was a clean color.
It is insanely packed out here. So pretty much done with the event. This just goes to show how crazy SoCal gets with all the cars. So next part of the video, we're gonna go ahead and install the X bar from PLM and the lower tie bar and stiffen up the suspension on this thing. So let's get to it. No, you do have to cut.
Yeah, because it's
Alright, so here we have the PLM X bar that we're going to be installing. You guys can kind of see the finish. We could powder coat it white, but I kind of want to do a half cage as well. I kind of got to figure out the whole interior situation. But this is mainly for chassis stiffening. And then we also have the lower tie bar. Seems pretty easy to install on the bottom here. So quick install. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it on the hatch, and then from there we should have it ready for Streets of Willow at the end of this month, which I think they're actually going to be closing that track. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the lower tie bar. It comes with hardware, and based off the picture I saw online, this is kind of how you put it. And then you integrate this part of the bar to the 14 that you guys see down here. Let me go ahead and take off the empty filters for you. So as you guys can see where the ratchet is, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up those two 14s and then go ahead and install the bar. Went ahead and installed it. This is kind of what it looks like. Now we're gonna jump onto the actual X-bar. I know we're gonna have to cut up the interior a bit just to make it fit, so. I must say, for my first attempt at cutting, it wasn't too bad. Obviously it's not perfect. The goal is to end up gutting the car eventually at some point, but if I do that right now, it's going to be yellow with like silver interior, and I kind of don't want that, so I'd much rather just cut it for now. It's not look the best, but at least it'll have the bar on, and it'll have most of the interior still intact until we're ready to go. Just full gut, paint the interior, get seats. It's going to get a makeover, don't worry. This is pretty much just a pre-install to the first part of the interior portion of the car, if that makes sense. So next step is you're going to take off the 214 nuts on the coilover or strut assembly, and that's basically going to allow you to basically insert these on the car. So it's a lot harder than I expected. So we got the bases on, and then we got the ones on the seatbelt on. We're starting off with the X-bar, so we went ahead and installed it on this side. This is kind of what it's looking like. And then we're gonna go ahead and duplicate the same thing over here. It's just that Danny dropped the piece of it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and attach the bar at the bottom and then top, and then we'll do the side one. So I think we kind of got it, but yeah, it's a little tricky for sure. So a couple hours later, the PLM X bar is on. We're able to close the seats, and I'm gonna see 12 hours later. I'm gonna see if this fits. The cargo cover does fit. It's just a matter of, I don't know, I'd rather not run it just because I could show off the bars. I must say, it gives it a really nice touch. Just off by driving it last night, I felt a huge difference as far as just how the chassis felt overall. If you guys are interested in the PLM X bar, the airbag delete, which actually looks really nice, we installed that one in the previous video. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. I think it's called like a day in the life of a JDM YouTuber, because I don't just like, I love Mitsubishis, I like Honda. I do appreciate nice clean ones that I see around every once in a while. And I honestly, it's one of those things. Like, I've always wanted to build like something like a little hatch, and especially like with the clear tail. Like, I'm super, like, I was a little kid in the early 2000s, and I was just growing up with all these cars. Is pretty much why I end up building them. So besides that, if you're interested in anything in regards to YouTube filmmaking, editing, or any advice you might need specifically for me, check out the first link in the description. Check out PLM as well, and I'm also going to go ahead and put a discount code for you guys to use, so you guys can get a good deal on all this stuff. So besides that, I guess that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the following video.